Welcome to another video from 88 Rotors Off-Road. Today we'll be setting up this Tacoma Trd Pro for 33s. We're adding a 1-inch lift shim in the front, 1-inch rear block, and throwing on some Method MR305s. Wheels are in a 17 by 8.5 zero offset in matte black, and we're wrapping them up in a BF Goodrich KO2 in a 285/70/17. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. That way you won't miss any of our future videos. Thank you very much for viewing, and please give us that thumbs up.